Hi, my name is Matt Baker at Prosymmetry, and today we'll be going through the order of operations on creating a workflow within Tempus Resource. So to start this off, I'm going to head to Admin Settings here, and then navigate to the Workflow Management tile. And from here, we'll have several different tabs to work with, which will dictate the different areas that you need to work through to create a workflow successfully within Tempus. So to start things off, I would recommend creating the state first. This will be the backbone of the workflow, determining the different stages that are associated to the workflow you're looking to create. From there, I would go ahead and create the associated forms that you'll need and for which you'll then be associating to those different states when creating the workflow. And then lastly, you'll be going through here and creating the workflow where you can actually start making those associations, saying in this particular stage, I want these users to have access to this particular stage, and then determining what form should be displayed to the end user when looking at a project that is in that particular state. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit prosymmetry.com and have a great rest of your day.